What's up, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy LB and welcome back to my new tutorial video. Guys, today I'm gonna show you how I create this freeze frame effect inside Premiere Pro. Now let's dive in the workflow and let's see how it is. So as you see here, guys, this is my video clip. I use Lumix S5, and then my clip, it is on the stand. That means it is stable. Okay, so then this subject is passing through this frame. Okay, so now the things I'm going to do, guys, and I'm going to pick the point where my freeze frame will be. Okay, so here, guys, you can just create any freeze frame you want. So here, guys, let me just grab some points where my freeze frame will be. Okay, when this subject got here, guys, so let me try to cut. It's like to mark, okay, where my frame will be, which will be freezed. Okay, and then this is okay, then this is the second frame. Okay, and then let me just create the third one here too. Okay, guys, I try to create more as I can. Okay, and then this is the fourth one, so this is the fifth. Okay, and then let me create the last one here, guys. Okay, so I try to create it's like a mark, okay, where this freeze frame will be. Okay, so then, guys, let me just come back here, okay, on this first freeze frame. Okay, here, guys, and I'm going to export this image because I just want to select this subject only, okay, which will be remains here until this clip it will end. Okay, so now just come up here on this export frame. Okay, or you can use this shortcut Control Shift plus E. So you have to click here on it, and then, guys, make sure you're gonna export the JPEG. Okay, so here, guys, you can browse where your picture will be saved. Okay, for example, let me just save it here on this folder, and then you press OK, and then I'm going to click OK. All right, so now the image, it is already saved. Okay, and then so let me just come here on Adobe Photoshop because I just want to use Adobe Photoshop. So this is the better way if you just want to select the subject only. Okay, and I'm going to import my image. Okay, so it is this one. Okay, so, and what I'm going to do, and I'm going to select this image on, okay, without cropping image, without do anything for this image. I'm going just to select this subject only, and then I have to remove the background, guys. And when you're done, you have to save this image in PNG format. So what I have to do, and I'm going to select this subject only, guys, it is too small. Okay, but here you can just use these tools. Okay, quick selection tool, you can just click here on it. Okay, and then you just come up here on this select subject. So let me click here, and then I have to wait just a few seconds. Okay, let me see what is going on. So, guys, this quick selective, so it is not tracking my subject because it is too small. Okay, so and then the second way you can use this pen tool. Okay, you have to click here on it, and I'm going to select my subject. Okay, so let me try to do quick as possible. So now I have already done to use this pen tool. So you see, I have already selected my subject manually. So now the things I'm going to do is I'm going to click Ctrl plus Enter on your keyboard. Now you see the subject, it is already selected. So now what I'm going to do, guys, and I'm going to click here on this main layer. Okay, and then use this shortcut Ctrl plus G. Okay, so and then when I try to mute these layers, now you see I got the only subject here, guys, on this frame, guys. Okay, and then what you have to know on this trick, guys, yeah, you don't have to move your subject around here. Okay, so now you have to let it as default. Okay, so and then now what you're gonna do, and I'm going to save this image in PNG format. You see, guys, the background I have already removed, and now I remains the subject. Okay, now just come up here on this file and then go on save as copy. Then I have to choose the PNG format. Okay, so let me name as this is one freezy frame. Okay, and then let me save it on my folder. Okay, then press OK. So when you're done, guys, now it's time to back on Premiere Pro, and I'm going to import my image. Okay, so this is the one freeze frame, and what I'm going to do, and I'm going to put it here on this mark, back forward. Okay, and I'm going to do the front forward, guys. Okay, let me try to put it here where this video is starting. It reaches where the freeze frame it is, so it have to, yes, it have to disappear. This subject will enter on this freeze frame, and then my freeze frame will be disappeared. Okay, now you see how these things it looks like. So guys, let me do on the second freezer frame. Okay, let me do on this one which is visible here. Yeah, this is looks better. And then let me just come to take the screenshot first. Okay, so and then I have to save it in JPEG format. Okay, and then browser here the folder is, and then you press OK, and then let me just come back here in Adobe Photoshop. So guys, for the first method, we have been already used this pen tool for selecting subject manually. Okay, and I just want to import my image, and then I have to use that quick selection tool, guys. Okay, because this subject it is too big in the frame, it is visible. Okay, and then let me just come up here on this quick selection tool, and then I have to click here on it, and then let me click on this select subject. So guys, this it takes like a few seconds. Now you see, guys, what it is happening. The subject it is already selected. Okay, so and then you have to make sure if this quick selection tool was selecting your subject well as possible. And then so let me try to, yes, to click here on this plus, and then so I have to select this subject well. Okay, something like this. Even here, yes, this is a real nice. Okay, all right, so now when you're done to select your subject, guys, okay, just come up here on this icon. You have to press here on it. Now you see, guys, the background is disappeared. Okay, right click on this layer and then click here on apply. Now you see the subject it is remains only. Okay, and I'm going to save it also on in the PNG format. Okay, and then let me call it this. Maybe this is, maybe it's like a 6 frame. Okay, if I remember. Okay, and then I have to click save, press OK. Okay, now let me just come back here in Adobe Premiere Pro, and then I'm going to import my, yes, my freezer frame. Okay, yes, and then I have to extend in this way. So I have to put this freezer frame where this clip is starting. When it reaches where I have been marked, the freezer frame will be disappeared. Okay, because my subject will pass through on it, and then it disappeared automatically. Now you see how it is. So guys, and then let me try to do this remains one. Okay, so and then the things you have to know, guys. So guys, before you take the screenshot of your freezer frame, you have to go here where you have been marked. Okay, and then you have to put this blue line, and then you have to take the screenshot. Okay, so and then let me try to do this remains one first as possible. So all right, I have already created those freeze frame in Adobe Photoshop. Now it's time to apply it here on this clip. Okay, so let me select it all, and then let me try to apply it on this clip. So I have already named it. Okay, the first, the second one, the third. Okay, so then I have to put it each one of for each mark that have been created. Okay, so let me try to hurry up. This is maybe, yeah, this is maybe the fourth one. Okay, and then for the fifth, guys, is this one. Let me just put it here too. Okay, the second, where is the second one, guys? Okay, I got it. Yeah, this is the second. Okay, so and then, guys, now you see how this frame it looks like. Okay, and then when this subject is passing through on each frame will be disappeared. Okay, now let me try, let's see how it is. Okay, all right, guys, that's all. This is the simple trick how you can create this freeze frame in Premiere Pro. Okay guys, even you can just use the mask tool, you can use the mask tool here in this Premiere Pro, but it is the better way to use Adobe Photoshop because it helps you to create all to just cutting this subject well as possible. Guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment, leave your thumbs up, let me know what you think, and I will see you in next video. Peace.